Guys, welcome back to my channel Teacher Too Easy. So today's video is on accounting equation, which will be fetching you totally 11 mark. That is, one they will ask you for 6 mark this type of question. The another one they will ask you for practical oriented type for 5 mark question. So we'll be doing both the equation problems in this one video. So before we start, like, share and subscribe to as many as students possible so that everybody is benefited. Okay. So let's go back. So accounting equation. So here accounting equation says that assets are equal to liability and capital. The balance sheet of company is based on this equation, wherein the simple meaning is one side is equal to other side. So balance sheet has three main parts. One is asset, equity, owner's equity. Then next we have is liabilities. So three parts are summarized into one particular statement known as statement of financial position. Yeah, it is also called it as balance sheet. Okay. So balance sheet, asset equal to, all the time assets are equal to liability and capital. Yeah, owner's equity. Capital is also known as owner's equity. Yeah, shareholders fund. So when you add this, you will get, that's why it is called it as balance sheet, because it will automatically get balanced if you are incorporating and interpretation is done correctly. The balance sheet will tally, it will balance. Okay. So here on that concept, and accounting equations are based on duality concept. The duality concept is nothing but, like, every transaction will have two phases. One will come out, one will go out. One will be the receiver, one will be the giver. When expenses are coming in, when expenses are paid, cash is going out. So every particular thing will have a two reaction in account. Every transaction, like for example, suppose every college has a canteen, you go buy a tea, right? Whenever there is a break time, you go buy a tea in the canteen. So the canteen owner, when you pay 10 rupee to him, so cash is going from you, what is coming in? Tea is coming in. And when you see from owner's point of view, the tea is going out, cash is coming in. So see here, in both the transaction, as you as a buyer as well as the tea shop owner as a seller, both are having duality. Tea is going out, cash is coming in. Tea is coming in, cash is going out. So that is nothing but, in accounting concept we call it as duality concept, wherein accounting equation is also based on duality concept. When assets are equal, where assets are equal to liability and capital. Okay, so based on that, there is one problem they will ask you in part C for 6 mark. So let's start with the problem so that you will understand what actually we are dealing with. So the question is, analyze the effect of following transactions using accounting equation. So we are using this accounting equation, that is nothing but asset equal to L plus C. Yeah, in short, A is equal to L plus C, asset equal to liabilities and capital. So here first they have given first transaction, started business with cash. So cash is coming in via capital, right? Hope you remember the first journal entry wherein we write cash account data to capital account. So when cash is coming in, it is coming as a way of capital. So let's see how it will reflect in the accounting equation. So here first we will write in the liability side, we will write this as capital. First item, capital, we have brought in 1,50,000. Okay, and here cash is also coming in. Cash is equal to 1,50,000. See here, assets and liabilities. If you just total this, 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Both the side, it's 1,50,000, 1,50,000. So this is nothing but duality concept. Here cash is coming in, coming as a capital. So both the side it is tally. Hope you understood. Then we'll move on to next. Here they have given credit purchases from Aman. So we have done a purchase. So when you do a purchase, goods when you are purchasing, it is considered as inventory. Okay. Whether you sell, whether you purchase, we take that in a balance sheet as inventory. So inventory is coming simultaneously. Creditors are also coming in the picture because we have purchased on the credit basis. So goods are also coming as well as creditor is also coming in the picture. Goods come under, that is stock comes under asset side, correct? So it is a current asset. So we have two items in asset side, cash plus inventory. Here you can call it as stock. Okay, so cash we already have is 1,50,000 and we have purchased inventory worth 60,000. And here we already have capital worth 1,50,000 plus we have a creditors because it's a credit purchase. Amar is a creditor, so creditor is equal to 60,000. So when you accumulate, when you total this, you are getting both the side as 2,10,000, 2,10,000. Correct, guys? Both the side it is tally. See here, one item, one transaction, two side there is a reflection. One inventory is coming in and creditors are also coming in picture because it's a credit transaction. So we have creditors worth this and we got inventory worth this. The next entry we have is paid cash to Amar. We have done a payment to cash payment to Amar. So here we have to reduce. Okay, Amar is a creditor, correct? So here again, once again we will repeat capital. We have 1,50,000. So when you are paying, your creditors are reducing, correct? That is 60,000 minus 20,000. So when you minus this, your creditors remaining is only 40,000. Correct, guys? Then next we have is here cash because we have paid. So cash is going. That is nothing but 1,50,000 minus 20,000 gives you 1,30,000. Correct? Then inventory is still remaining with us. That is worth 60,000. So when you total this, you are getting 1,90,000 liability side, and here it is 1,90,000 asset side. Both the sides are equal. Done. The next entry we have deposited into bank. So we are depositing in the bank. So when you deposit, bank comes under asset side. So we don't have any reflection here because cash is also an asset. Bank also comes under asset side. So both the transaction here, same thing we will write. Capital is equals to 1,50,000. It's remaining 1,50,000. Plus creditors is 40,000 still remaining. Next cash we have is total 1,50,000. We have 1,50,000 minus out of which we have deposited 50,000 into bank minus 5,000. 50,000 if you do, so your cash remaining is only 1,00,000. Correct, guys? Then inventory is equals to 60,000. Okay, guys, so here capital is 1,50,000. So we are minusing drawings amount. So you will get capital. Your balance capital is 1,40,000. Then we have is creditors worth 40,000. Okay, so 1,40,000 plus 40, 1,80,000. So your liability is 1,80,000. Now we have to just check whether assets are equal to liability. If both are equal, then your accounting equation is done. So cash is 80,000. The balance which we brought here after paying to bank, the balance is 80,000 minus 10,000 drawings is taken, cash is taken out. So 70,000 is the balance. Then in the inventory we have 60,000, bank we have 50,000. So 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. So 1 lakh 80. Oh, successful. So both the side are tallying, both the side we are getting 1 lakh 80. So your accounting, hence the accounting equation is proved. Clear guys? So next problem. So next problem is finding out missing figure. This will be asked in practical oriented questions. Okay? That is section E. Part E, they will ask you this. They will give you this box. You need to find out by using accounting equation. See, assets are given, capital is given, liabilities are given. So among all this, one is missing. Okay, here see capital is missing, here asset is missing, here liability is missing. So now by using this accounting equation, first accounting equation is A is equals to N plus C. So now here, see here they have given us, let us analyze this way. A is given A plus A is equals to C plus L, correct? So now this is the equation L plus C, but here C is missing. 9 lakh, asset value is given as 9 lakh is equals to capital we don't know plus liability we know is 1 lakh 50. So now we need to find out what is the equation, what is the answer. So we will just reciprocate, okay? We will just make this as C is equals to A minus N. So if you want to know what is C, you will just twist this equation and you can find out the answer in a very simple way. So 9 lakh minus 1 lakh 50,000. So if you take 1 lakh 50 from 9 lakh, you will get answer as 7 lakh 50,000. So your capital is equals to 7 lakh 50,000.
6 lakh 50 होगा ना? 6 lakh नहीं होगा?
8 9 lakh, correct?
वो 15 है, वो 9 है ना? 9 10 11 12
1 lakh 50 plus 7 lakh 50 gives you 9 lakh.
ओके प्लस करना है, वो तो माइनस था ना?
Minus if you remove, you will get 7 lakh 50, right? 9 lakh minus 1 lakh 50, 7 lakh 50, it's recording. Point 2, here assets are not given, but capital and liability is given. So again we will use the same, A is equals to L plus C. So here A we don't know, L plus C. L is 4 lakh 90 and C is 50,000. So when you add, very simple, add both, A is equals to 4 lakh 90 plus 50 gives you 5 lakh 40. 5 lakh 40 is the answer. Over, as simple as that. And third equation is liability is not given. So again we will use the same, A is equals to L plus C. Okay. So here what is missing? L is missing. So if you want to find out L, L is equals to A minus C. Okay. We will take A all the time first because A's value will be more. If you take C first, you will get minus answer. Okay. So here L is equals to asset value is given as 15 lakh minus 10 lakh 50. So when you minus this, you will get 4 lakh 50 as the answer. So liability is equals to 4 lakh 50. And you can, after that, you can just fill this by writing 4 lakh 50 here. And then if you want to know whether your answer is right or wrong, you can just do analysis by doing this. Okay. And last one is 7 lakh 50. So you need to is equals to is equals to is equals to. You need to add this. If both the sides are tallying, 9 lakh here, here it is given 7 lakh 50 plus 1 lakh 50. So if you add, you are getting 9 lakh. Correct. 4 lakh 50 is equals to 9 lakh 40 plus 50. So 9 lakh 40 plus 50, 4 lakh 50. Correct. Done. Then next we have is 15 lakh is equals to 10 lakh 50 plus 4 lakh 50. So if you add 10 lakh 50 plus 4 lakh 50, you will get 15 lakh. Done. all the equations are solved. Very easy. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and learned this particular video. Take care.